Welcome back to another video. This video will basically explain where to find Phantasma's wealth of information, as everything you'll need is not on the Phantasma Gitbook. Once you get through here, you'll go to the GitHub. But first, let me show you what I mean by everything is not on the Phantasma Gitbook. So to start off, we're going to go to an example. Let's go to a NFT example. And we're going to see, create the Nacho token NFT. We're going to scroll down and we're going to see create series, right? NFT create series. Keep in mind, once you create this series, you will not be able to mint it yet. You'll need an additional function to mint, which will be called nft.mint. So that information on here, if you did copy and paste this, would not work at the moment. But you want to see this right here, token series unique. Through here on the Gitbook, you will not see anything relating to token series or any type of mode that comes with the token. And to be more specific, when I say mode, when you go to nft.mint, not mint, my apologies, create series, you will see a mode enum. This mode enum is not documented on the Gitbook to where it's found. It's not documented initially. Let's just go here real quick. Well, it's right there. I didn't want to show you that yet. But I don't want to show you that yet either. So let me go here. No, I don't want to show you that yet either. There's a lot of things I don't want to show you yet. Let me go to Phantasma. I don't know who this is. Nice picture though, but I don't know who you are, sir. I thought I was on GitHub. Here we go. So where was I going at? Oh yeah, I was going to Zoom. Right. It wouldn't be on there, and token series wouldn't be underneath here as well either. Right. There will be some more information such as important libraries, but let's get back to token series. So where would you go to find this? Number one, you will go to Tomb compiler, right? You'll type in, what I usually do is type in at the top. Let's just type in token series. Series, right? Token series. You type in token series at the top, you will find token series.unique. You'll find a few things, and then you'll go here to find create enum token series. However, this doesn't teach you where token series is actually created. So where can I go for this create enum? What other modes are on this token series? Let's scroll up. You'll see Phantasma Core right here. So Phantasma Core will contain these enums. You'll see token enum. So let's scroll up let's go down one more. I had to just search this up too as well. You'll see token namespace. You'll see token mode. So there is unique and duplicated, right? So now you have two enums, unique and duplicated. So now you know that there are two enums that will go to token series, and that's duplicated and unique. As far as the information on how to use these and how they're used, well, let's go back one more. There might be some information down here for it. Somewhere around here, you'll have to look once again. Phantasma NG. We was on Phantasma Tomb at first to find that enum. Right? We typed in token series in the search bar on GitHub. We'll do the same thing right here. And you can scroll through this information to figure out how to use it, but just know that there are two, unique and duplicated for the moment, right? So once you get done going through that, the next thing you will need to do when you're trying to figure out how to, say, program more things, say with Unity, Phantasma, TS, things of that nature, go back to the GitHub, right? Or more smart contracts. We're going to go to here, to the Phantasma IO GitHub, and then go to the smart contracts. What I just clicked. This will show you more robust smart contracts. For what I use more of, I haven't used this because it's the same thing. Say dog token. You'll see there's no mint function on here. You'll have to create that. So if you use this and you want to particularly just mint your token, there wouldn't be a mint function on here. So let's go back and let's go to NFT. Well, not Ghost Market, my apologies. Ghost Market, although Ghost Market is long, Ghost Market contains the information that you may need when it comes to how to mint, how to do things like that. This is what I had to go through. You don't have to go through this now, but I might not have the information that you need. I might not know it. So if I was you, I would look at Ghost Market. This is how I found out there were two token series at first, is that there was token series duplicated and token series unique. And I looked at how they did these token series and basically just kind of built off of them. With minting as well, I seen that there was no mint contract, no mint functionality on any of the examples. So I looked at that and I said, okay, then you need to mint this, so and so, so and so. This is how you mint, right? And I believe on here as well. Where is this at? Mint, NFT. Let me check. See, NFT.mint. It says return type none, right? However, right here, NFT mint is returning a token ID. So how do you know that? Same thing as before. You'll have to, as I said, it's not as updated as you would like. So let me just scroll through here and you type in NFT. Now let's go to, where is it? Right here? No. Libraries. I'm not sure if it's libraries, but it might be libraries. Okay, I believe this is it. Libraries. Let's go to NFT. Yep, this is it. This is how you'll find your return types and things of that nature. Right, let's go to mint. All right, you're going to see NFT mint right here. I'm going to say method call, and this is the return type right here. The return type is going to take a number, or not return type going to take a number, but the return type is going to be a number. Looking through Git book, you wouldn't notice that the return type is a number. It would say none. However, inside of the compiler, where is this at? You'll see that the return type is a number. You'll have to do that for some of these, just to make sure you're that you're getting the most out of your smart contract journey. As I said, the Git book isn't as updated. You'll have to search for some things on your own. Okay, now that's enough with Tomb. Let's head out to Phantasma TS. Right, if I'm going here, let me go down here to check out some things for developers, SDKs. Let's go to TypeScript. Right, some information regarding this could be found here. There's not too many docs on TypeScripting, right? This will be all you can get, right? And this isn't bad. This is decent enough information for you to get started. However, you want more bang for your buck. So where do you go if you want to expand your TypeScript knowledge and call functions that'll help you, interact with the blockchain? Well, go to source, go to core. This will be everything that you need. And what do I mean by that? Let's go to VM. These are some of the things you can call. Let's say VM object, manipulating the VM object. Let's go to the RPC. This is more, I'm not sure what that is. Okay, this would be more of what you need when you're calling this RPC, all the functions that's available to it. So here we go. I like pulling this up on the side, is better. You'll see get account, lookup names, get latest raw block. You can get archive, things like this. Get archive is archive, returns information, hash text string. See, you could, I'm actually gonna need to use this later on. Now I'm looking at this, but there's a lot more that's on here that's actually not documented. So you'll actually want to look at this to expand and just to go further on your journey. And I'll give an example. You might get an error, and I'll give an example of what errors I was getting with using this. Let me go back to my GitHub. But that's basically everything you'll need. Just the way you'll have to search Git book. I say search Git book first. Go through the regular examples. that they have on here, right? Go through the regular examples, right? Once you want to go deeper than this, I don't know if they have examples with this. Let me go to test. Not sure if these are examples you'll be needing. But once you want to go through the examples of this, you want to go further. You know, you will want to do more. So that's why you'll go to source and core, and you can see all of these different types. Since it's not documented, you can see all of these different things that you can do with a link, connect, things of that nature. They have it filled out. They just haven't updated any of the documentation. It may be frustrating at first to actually go through this, but I promise you it's well worth the journey. And I was going to just show you what I mean by some issues I was having. So let's say if I go to Phantasma, right here, TS, right? Blockchain interaction. This is mine. I just started back on Phantasma TS, so please don't just use all of this and just to use it. Right? It might not work 100%, but some of these functions will work. Let's say if I want to say get NFTs by contract. This is basically just getting all the NFTs that a user will have by a contract. The issue I was having was this right here. Hex to byte array Phantasma TS, and I would like to show this if I made it more else. So did I already have this open? Maybe so. Let me go here. Phantasma, that's me. Be Phantasma TS. Oh, this is still me. I didn't want to go see mine. Well, let me just go back to GitHub Phantasma so I can show you what I mean. And this might have been updated. It might have been fixed. But just to show you. Core wasn't here. I'm not sure where I got my original things from. Oh, I don't think it actually matters. That's where I'm messing up at. I don't think it actually matters. So for RPC, I just gotta call this. So I might need the interfaces for this. My apologies. I'm just going through some things right now. Phantasma link. That's when I had to enter call Phantasma link. Oh well, that's neither here nor there. I really just wanted to showcase some of the problems you might have. I was trying to figure something else out. Where is I go at? Right here. So I was right here. This Phantasma hex string to. Oh, this is what I was looking for. I was trying to find out where this was. So let me find out. Utils. Core. Source. I need it in source. I don't need it in core. Let me just scroll here. They should have it. Source core. Here we go. Index.ts. See, this is what I was looking for. So right here, it wasn't properly converting to what I needed, the hex string. Let me get rid of that. I'm not sure how to get rid of this, but it wasn't properly converting this to hex string uint array. So in order to do that, I had to comment some things, comment this out, and do a workaround, basically. So keep in mind, if you're just comment console log out whatever you're doing, just to follow the steps. And I'll run one of these real quick on Phantasma TS. Actually, I might run this one. Just to show you just to see if it still works. Just to have some type of coding on here. All right. Let me go here. Let me go here. Let me exit this out. I said I just started back doing Phantasma TS. So some things like this right here, I'm not used to having a comma after an array. It's kind of tossing me off, so I wanted to make sure that worked at the end of the array for the last element. Oops. So we're going to say I have a smart contract on my, as you will see on here, called XNFT. I have this on here in my wallet. Go to balances, wrong one. Go to node 0. I have one XNFT on here. I don't even think I put a picture on here yet, did I? No. So anyway, I have one XNFT on here. So now in order to get all of those NFTs, go ahead and run this terminal. New terminal. I'm going to run this right here with how it is, right? This is the get NFT, account NFTs by contract. I'm going to console log some of this out. And I'm going to show you what I mean by I was getting an error. So if this will work first, I'm just going to show you that it works. Let me just do this. Okay. Did I not console log anything out? I don't think I did. And this will be incorrect. How this looking too. Blockchain interactions. Oh, I didn't save it. That's why. Now let's run this again. Okay, here we go. So now we're going to have the chain. I believe that's the contract that it's on. The amount, the NFTs, the IDs of these NFTs, right? And this is just the extra. The results of this, the ID, the series, the mint, whoever owned this NFT and who created it, the ROM and the RAM. Right? So now that we have all of this, I'm getting back correct information. Now let me show you what I mean by you might not get this back correct way. Hex to byte array, right? To uint8 array. You see I'm doing this right here, and I got, where's ROM at? ROM. I'm just going to change this to ROM. I think that was when I was trying something else out. I shouldn't have CROM on here. So I'm going to take this test array out. Use the byte array. I'm going to take out the shift because I shouldn't need the shift. Test array. Let me make sure I'm doing this. I got my mind right. Take out the byte array. And if you don't want to see this, you can end the video, to be honest. I'm just showing you that there are some things that might be messed up. Take out this convert array. And VROM should take, what is this? uint8 array. That's all I'm doing. So this should take test array. I don't know if it's been fixed yet, so I don't want to give any wrong information. So as we can see, all byte array was doing was taking this right here, converting it, taking off an extra character, and then converting it to a uint8 array, which is what this should do once I get the hex string, right? It should take this and convert this to a byte array. Right? That's what I'm assuming it would do. However, let's see what we get. New error, right? We're getting an error. This does not work. Why does this not work? Right? Why is this not working as the way that it should work? That would be the question that I get. What is this? I think that was the first time I did it. Let me clear this. Let me make sure I'm not getting anything. Get token balance, get token data. It looks like I'm still getting the data and the ID, but I'm getting error somewhere. Which you would not want an error on here. Look like it's still getting some of the correct information. However, at the end, it's throwing an error. Why is that? Couldn't tell you. However, I know when I did a console.log, right? Let me do this. This is why I had this right here. Let me do this one right here. Console.log, VMRAM. Not RAM, but ROM. Right? This is going to be the ROM. I'm going to put like a No, I don't want to do the ROM, right? I want to do the test array. Hold on, wait a minute. Yeah, that's right. That's right. I did change this to convert array. I don't want to console log that one. I'm gonna console log right here. Call this the test array plus test array. Right? These are gonna give me two different things. I'm gonna say, let me move all of this out. Byte shift. This would be convert array, right? I'm gonna copy this. Go here. Convert array. Oops. Right, there we go. Now let's see what we get. Let me clear this. First of all, let's clear this. And let's see what information we'll get. So test array, and these should be the same thing, right? Because this is converted to, not necessarily, but the extra character. If I even take off the byte shift array, it should be the same thing. You see, this is giving me all 51. The convert array is giving me not 50, is not giving me any errors. You see, I should get the same thing. Now let me take off this shift, right? Just in case the shift, it would change certain things, but I shouldn't still get this whole thing right here, right? So let me run this again. Same thing as well. This is what I mean when I say that if you're programming on here, you're getting error, you'll have to check out the information you're getting, run some tests. I already ran this test, so I figured that unless they change it, I figured that this will happen. But I just wanted to just show you all that you will get errors from this on certain things. So you have to be careful when you're interacting. If you're trying something and you're not getting what you need to get, right? But that's enough for the video. I appreciate you for watching. Remember, if you need any assistance, hit me up on X at Shaman Blackout. Check out my GitHub where I do update for new contracts, where I run out, where I'm testing things of that nature. I'm still learning as a dev as well. So if you find something that's cool or something that's giving you an error, let me know so that way I can avoid those mistakes in the future, and or I can implement what you have done in the future. Thank you and have a blessed rest of the day.